Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to send money from Wise to Paysera. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're looking for a way to send money from Wise to Paysera here, well, there are going to be a few things that you need to know. Now the thing with Wise and Paysera here, they are direct competitors. So meaning Wise and Paysera does the same thing. So in this case, if you're looking for a way to connect these two platforms, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to do it directly within the platform itself. But the great thing about this one is, again, these two platforms basically is identical. So the only difference here is they have different fees and different features that they offer. Now, the thing with Paysera is it actually connects to bank accounts, so you could also do that here in Wise. Now, how do you exactly add bank accounts here to make the transfer? So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to wise.com or through the Wise app, and you want to go to recipients, and from here, you just need to click on add recipient. Now, from here, you want to go and select your currency. Like, for example, I'm going to send on using USD, and let's go and choose enter bank details here. And from here, just choose the option either myself, someone else. So go ahead and do that. And from here, you can go ahead and choose your appropriate options. So we have Wire, Swift, and ACH. Now, depending on what type of account you have, so in this case, if you have ACH here, you need to provide the following details like routing number, account type here, also the recipient address. Now, for wire transfer, you just need to provide the following information like the Fed wiring or routing number, accounting type, and for Swift, you need to provide your BIC code or Swift international bank account number or account number, your full name, and the recipient address here. But yeah, so once you've added the details, just click on confirm and fill out some necessary details for the recipient, and you can just proceed with the transfer. So you could go ahead and go to home here and basically go ahead and click on send and just fill up or complete the form here that you'll be seeing here on Wise. But yeah, so currently that is the only way that we could do this. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.